morning, everybody, and welcome to the Grade 5A Assembly. The past days, we've been learning about persuasive writing and persuasive arguments. Today, we'd like to show you a few persuasive arguments, but we'll need your help by clapping on the side you support. Now, for our first group, PE.
We should have PE at school because it's really fun and healthy for you.
We should not have PE at school because it makes my body and head sweat too much.
If you agree with Lisa, clap. If you agree with Joaquin, clap. Okay, I guess PE is on today.
Now on to our second group, school.
We should have school because it's good for learning.
No, we shouldn't go to school because learning is very boring. If you agree with going to school, clap. If you agree with Adam, clap.
Up next, desserts. Pets.
Wouldn't it be wonderful if we brought pets to school because they're cute and wouldn't want to play with them at recess? We shouldn't bring pets to school because some people are allergic to pets and might have to go to hospital. If you agree with bringing pets to school, clap. If you don't want to bring pets to school, clap.
Dessert.
We should have dessert after every meal because it's good and people are happy and being happy is awesome. No, we shouldn't because dessert is unhealthy and bad for your teeth.
If you agree with having dessert after every meal, clap.
On next, video games.
We should play video games in class because they are fun and good for people at all ages. We should not play video games in class because if you don't learn, you will not pass any test and you will not get a good job. If you agree with playing video games in class, clap.
Right up next, homework.
We should do homework because it helps us keep study and it also helps us pass exams.
We should never do homework because it is boring and gives you a headache.
If you agree with having homework, clap. If you agree with having no homework today, clap. I guess there's no homework for the rest of the week.
For seventh one, pizza luncheon.
I think we should have pizza every day because it's yummy and it has vegetables on it.
No, we should eat pizza occasionally, as it is unhealthy for us. If you agree with having pizza every day, clap. If you agree with having pizza occasionally, clap. Pizza occasionally.
Our last group, long recesses.
best recess because when you exercise at recess, you get really tired.
True, but at recess you can breathe fresh air.
If you breathe fresh air, you might have an allergic reaction.
But you can play sports like soccer at recess.
If you play sports like soccer at recess, you will get hurt.
We'll never agree.
That's right. You agree with having longer recess class?